Welcome back, all you sexy YouTube nail mother lovers. Surprise, Cadence here, and we are doing another Halloween-y type quickie because it's midweek. It's not really midweek, is it? It's maybe day if we're lucky. And I'm going to show you today how to create an awesome lensing effect with rubber base. It's Halloween. Do you wear rubber or not? Oh, look at the crap all over my hand. Excuse me while I use chemicals to take that off. Oh, we'll be learning about those soon. Yes. Well, without further ado, I'm going to clean my hands and let's get started. And today we're going to start, as we always do, with the Apres Prep and the Madame base coat, or any base coat, whatever base coat you have. We are using an awesome purple that I love, and ironically, it's called Witch's Night. I'm going to do a half and half ombre, and then I am going to say to you that I was in the little nail den before, and the husband comes in and says, "Mate, are you okay?" I'm like, "Yes, why?" He's like, "I just saw your other video and you just seemed really off and really aggressive." And I was like, "But I was trying to be funny. Like, someone's come in to the salon and has really upset you." And he's like, "Oh, you were just going on about wanting to kill some bitch, and some bitch has been pissing you off and poking her in the eye, and I just wanted to make sure you're okay." I'm like, oh my god. If you think that of me, imagine what strangers think of me. Oh, so, on that note, if yesterday was a bit full on, I apologise. I was just having a laugh, as we don't ever say here in Australia. Yeah, we were just having fun. Today I was going to do the same thing because it's just a nice quickie. You know, you've painted purple on someone's fingers and they've said to you, "Oh, can you do something for Halloween?" And you're like, "Oh, fuck. What can I do?" And you just quickly pick one finger, pick your accent nail, and do a quick little ombre, using black. You could go into a really dark purple if they were uninclined to have black on their nails. And I know some people are funny about black. Me, personally, I don't care what colour it is, as long as it's not baby shit brown. I'd put baby shit brown in character nails, like little cartoon ones or something like that, but I don't think I would ever choose to wear baby shit brown, which is a big reason I didn't get that Madame Glam own House of Naturals or Natural or whatever the fuck it was that had all the weird browns in it. If anyone's got it and it's good, give me a shout out and let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to give that one a miss because I am not a baby poo brown kind of person. So we did the first ombre and we gave it a cure. Make sure you give it a full cure, even though it's an ombre and you're removing some product. You still need to give it the full 30-second cure with Madame Glam or whatever product you guys are using. Use your full cure. I haven't got my... Look at that fucking little hair sticking out of my perfect black brush. Is that not really upsetting your OCD at this point in time? I did notice it, but I was like, well, the bottle's getting empty and I don't really want to delve into it and attack the brush, but I have to. I can't look at that for any moments longer. It's driving me crazy, and I apologize for it being less than ideal video quality, so to speak. So this kind of ombre, you've got a really dark black and a dark purple. I like to start in the middle to give it a little higgle jiggle in the middle, and then I like to take the purple down to the black. I don't like to take the black up because it will streak and you'll just end up with black all the way to the top of the nail. You'll notice that I do a little bit of uppy, I do a little bit of downy with it, and give it a full cure again. So what I've grabbed here is Dumb Blonde Glitters Transylvania from the Halloween collection in 2020. This glitter is amazing. If you ever have the chance to find Dumb Blonde Glitter, she's on Etsy. She does amazing glitters, and generally at the end of the year she'll do like a big like Christmas package, and it's got everything in it, and they are amazing. I have so many glitters, you have no idea. I might cut to it here, my one of my glitter boxes. It's crazy. So what I'm doing here is just seeing what's in the mix. Now there is a sticky layer obviously after you cure this color, but it's not always enough to secure these large pieces of glitter before you put on your next layer, and we'll talk about the next layer in a minute. So the thinnest layer of base coat that was put on in the most horrible of ways goes on, and then we dab the brush into the base coat and we pick up the pieces that we are choosing. You could sprinkle this all over. It would be very, very chunky, and you would lose the uniqueness of the pieces. I also think that if you were going to dump the whole lot on, that it would look amazing. But I've just chosen to do a few pieces here. I'm remembering my rules of threes, and the separation of colors and things like that. I'm putting the black bats up the top in the purple, and I'm putting the pink and purple things down onto the black so that you can see it. There's no point putting a black bat down in the black because you're not actually going to see it. I'm pretty happy with that. So I am currently curing the glitter into the base coat, and I'm putting my glitter away before I get it the fuck everywhere. Are you pleased? Insert crowd applause here. Yay! Away we go. That'll stay in the box until next year, or someone else wants it. So, do you wear a rubber? Do you like rubber base coating your glitters? I do, and here's why. The lensing effect. As soon as you place the rubber base over large glitters in particularly that have their own personality, so to speak, the rubber base is thick enough to give the light a good bend as it comes back out through the product. That means that your glitters are magnified and that your glitters are going to shine and look great from all angles. Yes, you could top coat, buff, and then top coat. I fucking hate doing that. It gets dust where dust shouldn't be. Hold it upside down and let it self-level, and then you can go in with no white top coat, and your light line will be pretty spot on. The nail will feel smooth. It won't feel like it needs to be buffed because you've got that layer of rubber base. Yes, it will be slightly thicker than the other nails, but you'll notice that I take off product from the edges in particular so that you can keep that nice shape of the nail. So once you apply the product, take away, like I'm doing here with the top coat, take away from both sides so that it's thin on the sides, and then turn it upside down and let gravity do its thing. And here we go. Look at that light line. It is pretty damn perfect. And if you rub your hand over it, it feels nice and smooth. Hey ho, diddly-o. There is a Halloween accent now for someone who doesn't want to get into the full swing of things like I appear to have done. So, that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any contributions to our series on the nail industry, I'll put a link to that video at the top. Leave your comments, go hit me up on the Instagrams, and I will see you sexy YouTube nail mother lovers in the next video. Bye.